Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful friends book for Friendship Day. So this is a zigzag album and decorated with quilling flowers. So quickly I am showing you the glimpse of the book. Here I have added some tags to tuck your photographs or messages. And I have used a beautiful paper pack and quilling strips by Kraft Gully. And it will look like this in zigzag manner after opening it. So let's get started. So here I am using the perfect craft glue, quilling tool, pattern paper and some quilling strips, everything by Kraft Gully. So I'm taking this craft shade cardstock which measures 15.5 by 8 centimeters and we needed two sheets like this. I'm folding it from 1 centimeter on one side. Similarly I have folded for other paper. Now I'm going to join both the pieces with each other using glue. And the cover of our book is ready. Now I'm taking this sheet which measures 14 by 7.3 centimeters and from one side I am folding on 2.5 centimeters. In the same way I have prepared some more flaps. So 4 yellow and 3 blue of same size. So in total we need 7 flaps. Now take one flap and put another flap on top of this. So just add glue on this folded part and stick it like this. Now I'm taking the yellow flap, add glue and stick on this side. In the same way I will add all the flaps on top of each other and I'm taking the colors alternatively. So this is done and it will look like zigzag shape. Now just add glue on the back side of the book and stick it inside your cover page. So our basic book is ready. Now I have cut some pattern papers, so we need total 6 pieces which measures 2 by 6.8, 6 pieces which measures 8.5 by 6.8 and 8 pieces which measures 11 by 6.8 centimeters. Okay, now one by one I will start adhering all the pattern paper with my book. In the same way, just complete the pattern paper decoration from both the sides. Now I'm taking one thin strip of pattern paper and sticking it like this here on the hinge part, and I have added all the pattern papers as well inside it. Now before attaching pattern paper here, I am adding one ribbon so that we can close our book. And now I am taking this 14 by 7.7 centimeter pattern paper sheet. We need 3 these type of sheets to add on 3 sides of our cover. Adding the ribbon on this side as well, and then I am decorating the outer part of the book. So this is done. Now I'm just attaching this beautiful sentiment Happy Friendship Day in one side. So just add little glue, and to give little dimension to this, I am adding one piece of mount board. So it will give little height, and now I'm going to attach it like this. You can also use double-sided foam tape. Now inside the book I am going to attach these beautiful tags which are made by myself. So I have just cut some tag sheets and decorated it with some stamp designs. So here and there I will attach it, and I am adding the glue only in one corner so that we can tuck any photograph or any message or any journal inside this like this. If you don't have stamps, you can just hand draw any beautiful pattern or design, and you can just create the tags like this. So in the same way, randomly I am decorating some of the pages of my book. So this is done. Now it's time to decorate from outside. So I'm starting with my first quilling flower. For this I'm taking half strip of dark yellow color and making one bended leaf shape or semicircle. In the same way I have prepared one more. Now I'm taking half strip of light yellow color and making one leaf shape. Now joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using dark yellow strip. So this is done. Now in the same way we need total 7 petals, and I am adding all the petals together to construct the flower. Now for the center of the flower I am taking 2 strips of white color and making one tight coil and adding in the center of the flower. So flower is ready. Now for the smallest flower of the same shape or the same pattern, I am taking 1/4 strip of dark yellow color, making one semicircle. In the same way I have prepared one more, and for the center I have used 1/4 strip of light yellow. So in the same way I am creating one petal, wrapping it using dark yellow strip, and again I am attaching total 7 petals together to create the flower. The center tight coil is made using one strip of off-white color. So in the same way we need 2 flowers. So all my big and small flowers are ready. Now I'm starting with the cute bud or filler flower. So for this I'm taking half strip of peach color and making one tight coil first. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color, just fold it from center, add little glue and stick your tight coil inside this. In the same way I have prepared one more, so I am just joining 2 buds together, and in total I have created 6 buds. Now I am starting with leaves. For this I am taking 1/3 strip of sap green and 1/3 strip of dark green and making one teardrop shape. I am joining total 3 teardrops together to create the leaf. So we need total 4 these kind of leaves. And also I have prepared these scrolls using same color combination. If you want to learn scroll, I have given link in description box. Now taking back my friend's book, and I will start decorating it with my quilling designs. So I'm just pushing these flowers on my palm to create little bit a 3D look. And now I will start adhering everything on the base. Like this, and the beautiful friends book or photo album or scrapbook or journal book is ready, and it's looking super gorgeous. You can adhere the photographs of your friends, or you can write lots of messages for them, and it will a super idea to gift for Friendship Day. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and you can use the coupon Shivani 10 to get 10% discount from Craft Gully store if you want to purchase anything. Thanks for watching. I'm waiting for your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.